I'm a big fan of this brand. So if you are in the market looking for a blender, this brand VEWIOR is your probably what you are looking for. It's really nice. It's a high powerful motor. It has an overheat protection, ice crusher, and also comes with cord storage space. This is like the upgraded one. I have been using the previous one, and now I'm going to use this brand new model, and I'm super excited to share with you my experience and my unboxing experience. This is the blender. Wow, this is bigger than the previous models. I like the capacity of it, which like makes it perfect size for my shakes. And this is the motor here, and I'm so curious to see this motor is like just like this. Wow, look how gorgeous. And it has sucking cups here for it not to be moving, and also for slipper proof. Also has some covers and lids which are amazing. Those are upgraded ones. Wow, the second cup, look how big. This is big, gorgeous, and it has like this grayish color. It's not completely white transparent, which adds elegance to it. I like that. These are the parts. This is the blender here, like the blades. This is the ice crusher, or even like the spice crusher, and this is the shake blender, and this is the device. And as you can see, it has sucking cups to avoid slipping. Shake right now. This is the milk. This is the protein. And then you close it, you turn it like this, and you put it, and you as you see, it's crushing also the ice. And then you just remove it. You open it here. You either drink directly from it, or you use the cup. You open it and you use this cup here. I have a straw. And there you go. Amazing. This is an amazing blender. I love this brand, and I highly recommend it. And I hope you use it and like it too. Thank you for watching. Cheers.